撒迦利亞書第10章。
Zechariah chapter 10.
當春雨的時候，你們要向發閃電的耶和華求雨，他必為眾人降下甘霖，使田園生長菜蔬。
Ask the Lord for rain in the time of the latter rain. The Lord will make flashing clouds. He will give them showers of rain, grass in the field for everyone.
因為家臣所言的是虛空，卜士所見的是虛假，造夢者所說的是假夢。他們白白地安慰人，所以眾人如羊流離，因無牧人就受苦。
For the idols speak delusion. The diviners envision lies and tell false dreams. They comfort in vain. Therefore, the people wend their way like sheep. They are in trouble because there is no shepherd.
我的怒氣向牧人發作，我必懲罰公山羊，因我萬軍之耶和華眷顧自己的羊群，就是猶大家，必使他們如駿馬在陣上。
My anger is kindled against the shepherds, and I will punish the goatherds. For the Lord of hosts will visit his flock, the house of Judah, and will make them as his royal horse in the battle.
房角石、釘子、爭戰的弓和一切掌權的都從他而出。
From him comes the cornerstone, from him the tent peg, from him the battle bow, from him every ruler together.
他們必如勇士在陣上將仇敵踐踏在街上的泥土中，他們必爭戰，因為耶和華與他們同在。騎馬的也必羞愧。
They shall be like mighty men, who tread down their enemies in the mire of the streets in the battle. They shall fight because the Lord is with them, and the riders on horses shall be put to shame.
我要堅固猶大家，拯救約瑟家，要領他們歸回。我要憐恤他們，他們必像未曾氣絕的一樣。都因我是耶和華他們的神，我必應允他們的禱告。
I will strengthen the house of Judah, and I will save the house of Joseph. I will bring them back, because I have mercy on them. They shall be as though I had not cast them aside, for I am the Lord their God, and I will hear them.
以法蓮人必如勇士，他們心中暢快如同喝酒，他們的兒女必看見而快活，他們的心必因耶和華喜樂。
Those of Ephraim shall be like a mighty man, and their hearts shall rejoice as if with wine. Yes, their children shall see it and be glad. Their hearts shall rejoice in the Lord.
我要發嘶聲，聚集他們，因我已經救贖他們，他們的人數必加增，如從前加增一樣。
I will whistle for them and gather them, for I will redeem them, and they shall increase as they once increased.
我雖然散布他們在列國中，他們必在遠方紀念我，他們與兒女都必存活，捨得歸回。
I will sow them among the peoples, and they shall remember me in far countries. They shall live together with their children, and they shall return.
我必再領他們出埃及地，招聚他們出亞述，領他們到基列和利巴嫩，這地尚且不夠他們居住。
I will also bring them back from the land of Egypt, and gather them from Assyria. I will bring them into the land of Gilead and Lebanon, until no more room is found for them.
耶和華必經過苦海，擊打海浪，使尼羅河的深處都枯乾。亞述的驕傲必至卑微，埃及的權柄必然滅沒。
He shall pass through the sea with affliction, and strike the waves of the sea. All the depths of the river shall dry up. Then the pride of Assyria shall be brought down, and the scepter of Egypt shall depart.
我必使他們倚靠我，得以堅固，一舉一動必奉我的名。這是耶和華說的。
So I will strengthen them in the Lord, and they shall walk up and down in his name, says the Lord.